How to get free OTP codes. I'm going to be showing you 3 different platforms that you can use to get it. So if one did not work, you can try the other one. And the first thing you need to do is to install the Telegram app. So go to your Play Store or your App Store to get the app installed. So this is the first. What you simply need to do is to type this start /start, then you see list of phone numbers. So this is the second one. What you simply need to do as well is to click on start. So you'll be provided with list of different countries. So you just select the country that you want to use to verify. Then if it's WhatsApp, you say click on WhatsApp to provide you with some phone numbers, so you can copy them and use it. So just long tap on anyone to copy it. So that is how this one works. So this is the last one. You still click on start as well, or you write the start, then you select the countries that you want to use. This one has a lot of countries, so in case you are looking for any country, just check the 3 that I've dropped. You surely see your country there. So just long tap on any of the phone number, then you will be able to copy it. If you need new numbers or you have already used all these numbers before, just click on new numbers and new numbers will be displayed on the screen. So that is how you can get it. So after you have finished copying the number, you have input it on WhatsApp and they send OTP, just click on this code group. You'll be redirected to a group. So just click on this last one. As you can see, this one, they just send the OTP. So you will see the phone number here. Then you can copy the OTP and use it to verify the WhatsApp. To get notified whenever I see new any platform, join my Telegram channel at Passive Income Pathways. The links are in the description section and the pinned comment of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in my next video.